Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about high-level dialogue on desertification, land degradation and drought which held recently. And in this session we'll first discuss steps taken by India to deal with land degradation. Then we'll discuss what is land degradation and its impact. Then we'll discuss about UNCCD, the Bond Challenge, the Great Green Wall of Africa. All three are initiatives with regard to saving our lands from a degradation process. And this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. So guys, recently the Indian Prime Minister delivered a keynote address at United Nations high-level dialogue on desertification, land degradation and drought. And if you see the steps taken by India to deal with land degradation, it is on track to achieve its national commitment on land degradation neutrality, which is Sustainable Development Goal target number 15.3. And it is working to restore 26 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. And over last 10 years, around 3 million hectares of forest cover has been added. And India is assisting fellow developing countries to develop land restoration strategies, and a center of excellence is being set up in India to promote a scientific approach towards land degradation issues, and it is at Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. So this is the steps taken by India to deal with land degradation. Now we'll discuss what is land degradation and its impact. Land degradation is caused by multiple forces, including extreme weather conditions, particularly drought, and human activities that pollute or degrade the quality of soils and land utility. It creates arid, semi-arid, and dry subhumid areas. It accelerates climate change and biodiversity loss. It adds to drought, wildfires, involuntary migration, and emergence of zoonotic infectious diseases. So that is about the land degradation and its impact. Now we'll discuss about the global efforts to check land degradation. The first one is UNCCD, our United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, which was established in 1994. It is a sole legally binding international agreement linking environment and development to sustainable land management. And this convention addresses specifically arid, semi-arid and dry subhumid areas known as dry lands, where some of the most vulnerable ecosystems and peoples can be found. And India became a signatory to UNCCD on October 14th, 1994. And the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is the nodal ministry for the convention. And then we have the Bond Challenge. We'll discuss what is Bond Challenge. Guys, the Bond Challenge is a global effort to bring 150 million hectares of deforested and degraded land into restoration by 2020 and 350 million hectares by 2030. And the 2020 target was launched at a high-level event in Bonn in 2011, organized by Government of Germany and IUCN, and was later endorsed and extended to 2030 by the New York Declaration on Forest of 2014 UN Climate Summit. And the Bond Challenge is an implementation vehicle for national priorities such as water and food security and rural development, while simultaneously helping countries contribute to achievement of international climate change, biodiversity and land degradation commitments. And underlying the Bond Challenge is the forest landscape restoration approach, which aims to restore ecological integrity at the same time as improving human well-being through multifunctional landscapes. So that is about the Bond Challenge. Now we have the Great Green Wall of Africa. The Great Green Wall of Africa aims to restore Africa's degraded landscapes and transform millions of lives in one of the world's poorest regions called the Sahel. The African initiative is still only 15% complete, and once fully complete, the world will be largest living structure on the planet, an 8,000 kilometer natural wonder of the world, stretching across the entire width of the continent. And African countries during the UNCCD COP14 sought global support in terms of finance to make the wall a reality in the continent's Sahel region by 2030. And the Sahel is a semi-arid region of Western and North Central Africa, extending from Senegal eastward to Sudan, and it forms a transitional zone between the arid Sahara Desert to the north and the belt of humid savannas to the south. So that is about the Great Green Wall of Africa, and that's all about this particular topic, guys. A very short topic, but the facts are important. UNCCD, the Bond Challenge, the Great Green Wall of Africa. These are highly relevant topics for the prelims examination. So please study about this. Thank you for watching this lesson.